Managers of big companies constantly face various business challenges, including increasing complexity caused by changing market conditions, global partnerships, and cultural changes. Overcoming such challenges involves making significant changes to the organization's operations and structure to maintain competitive advantage and leverage operational efficiencies. Organizations face the need for transformation resulting from introduction of new software solutions, systems engineering, and digitalized workflows. It is crucial to understand and challenge the organization. This forms the foundation to identify potential and design successful transformation. A top-down transformation strategy ensures that management objectives are met. Implementation follows on the operational level, using a bottom-up approach to reflect business requirements. An integrated organizational model is created by examining all domains, including processes, organization, and IT systems. The ability to realize products and services in accordance with the customer requirements is impacted by the dynamic and interconnected nature of these domains. The implementation of a systems thinking framework assists addressing root causes of challenges and supports strategic decision-making in a collaborative team effort. Involvement of the right people, early engagement and collaboration is key for successful transformation. Training and coaching embedded in the company's transformation activities supports sustainable realization and positively shapes its culture and practices. In fact, enterprise collaboration is characterized by even more complexity. There are projects with distributed teams and remote infrastructures, and those that require collaboration with others. Such situations often form a system of systems setup, which requires pooling of resources and capabilities. By this means, implementation of integrated partnership models assist maintaining focus and discipline across all stakeholders involved. Do you face similar challenges? We have the experience and expertise to support you. We keep things in perspective, even and especially when they are complex. Digital Salt, Consulting, Transformation, Solutions.